I thought I'd show you how I was able to track down a death certificate for my grandmother's sister today, even though Ancestry said no image was available. So on Find a Grave this morning, I found that my grandmother's sister, Pauline, had died at the age of 6. And I wanted to see if I could find a death certificate for her. So the first thing I did was go to Ancestry.com and I did a quick search on her in birth, marriage, and death records. And I found this entry here, Washington Select Death Certificates. That got me excited. But when I clicked on it, I saw that it said that no image was available. Boo. But the good news was that there's a family history library microfilm number 1992891. So I copied that and I thought I would just go over to Family Search and see if I could find it by searching the card catalog. So when I went to Family Search, I first have to always log in. And then I search on the catalog. I don't search on records or family tree or genealogies. I click on Search Catalog. And then I simply enter the film number that I had copied from Ancestry. Looks pretty easy. There's the collection. And I found that the collection actually was indexed. Hooray. An index is available online here, so I clicked on that. Everything's going well. I'm just going to put her last name in because she had 2 first names. And her death year, in case that's helpful. And let's see what we get. There she is. Sorry, I got distracted by the other entries. And it says, no image available. Boo, hate to see that. But I'm not going to give up. So I always take note of the image number because sometimes that will get me where I need to go. And instead of saying, oop, oh well, no image, I'm going to go back to the search results, the death certificates collection. You see it's a bigger collection, 1907 to 1960. I had noted on Ancestry that the film number, the microfilm number is 1992-891. So if I scroll down, I can find that film number. There's obviously a lot of films there, so I'm just going to do a search. 1992-891. Boom, there it is. She died in Yakima County, so I'm going to click on this one and see if I can search for it here at this level, sort of a deeper level, not as broad a search. So Rasco, and I'll give her the year again, 1922, and update. There's Pauline. Let's click on that. And this time, there's the image. Hooray! So I click on the image. And it takes me here to image 786. which is young Pauline's death certificate. She died from diphtheria, unfortunately. So from here, I just download the document like I download every document and follow the process that I have for downloading documents. Alternatively, I could have clicked on the little camera icon instead of the search icon and entered the image number. So if I click on the camera icon, that takes me to this microfilm, and I learned in the previous screen that it was image number 786. So if I just enter image 786 here, that will take me to the image in question, and there is Pauline's death certificate. So that's another way to go about finding the image rather than searching for it twice. I hope you found that helpful. Please keep an eye out on organizeyourfamilyhistory.com for more screencasts of things that I think might be handy. I'll try to do one when I come across something that I think would be helpful to others.